trending today. So in the H Metro, a lady was conversing of sleeping with her husband Snake for his business to flourish, and she revealed that it was really strange and horrific ceremony that she found herself in, that she was forced into. Yeah. And this then forced her to leave her marital home. She was telling H Metro that her husband had used her in a snake-related ritual to increase the success of his company. And she mentioned that her spouse has more than 50 children and several brides, several women. And she said that he has been using me for years to make money. Quite the juju he uses requires him to sleep with different women, and me to sleep with his snake. We hear these things as stories, and I ran away because I couldn't bear the pain anymore. And I don't know why he keeps chasing after me and accusing me of eloping with another man. And responding to the allegations, the man in question was saying that, why did she remain silent for this whole while if these rituals were really happening? So I want to also hear from you. Do you feel like after people have gone separate ways, maybe there's a person who will be bitter and they just want to speak low of the other person? Where you're then asking, why were you not saying it all along? Or sometimes you don't say these things because you're thinking, we're together, it's love, I'm protecting my person. Do you think it's bitterness, when a person then goes and then says this and this and this and this about the person that they were with for that long? Or how do you view this one here? And name 0772162651. You can send a voice note. It is trending today.
Weekend. Saka maya vakazorwadziwa papai. Ngwese vangasarwadziwa here kana kuti vaitozvifarira vachinjwa mabenefits. Saka pane something chakazovabowa vakudai. Kwete kuti nyaya yenyoka ndo main reason. Ende ndozviripo kazhinji vanhu vanorambana vatedzerwe samshat. Kana munhu achikunetsa just go unopiwa protection orders, peace order. Woprotwa nemunhu, because it's possible kuti vanhu varambana, vanhu vanoita bitterness, vanotanga kutaura zvakaipa against vamwe, ende vamwe vanoenda kuma extremes, ndo vaive kuzotera vamwe vachivaharasha, and unfortunately zvimwe zvinotozosvika kana kumurder. Hazvingarambirwi kuti munhu can be bitter akataura zveunyepa. It's unfortunate, zvinonetsa. Vanhu tofanira kungoti kana nguva yedu yapera zvaramba tongoita move on.
This weekend, yeah, it happens a lot. Nyaya yekuti vanhu kana muchiita zvinhu zvenyu muri mese, even kuti mumwe mangaita zvinhu zvanenge uchiziva, and then kana mazoseparata maways enyu muzodatanga kufumurana. Yeah, I take it as bitterness, even though I don't support nyaya yezvejuju zvechichichi. But even more life here zvinoitika mafriends yeche anozviita kuti after manetsana paya zvitauda kufumura ndiyatoti kufumura gore. Of which it's bad. Kana zvanga zvakashata usingafariri zvakanaka, why were you the part of it all along?
Unokaita tunyanya tunozobuda after vanhu varambana toto tunonetsa kubhilivha. Zvinenge zvaaneka element kekuda kusvibisana mukati. Unongozivawo rudo rukasanduka kuwe ruwengo. Zvakangoma kumana. Saka hazvionetsa kubhilivha izvo. Because zvinenge zvaaneka kuda kusvibisana mukati.